All right, everybody, let's look at lesson 5, which is precision and sig figs. Sig figs is short for significant figures. All right, so what are significant figures? Significant figures indicate precision of a measurement. So when we're recording sig figs in a measurement include the known digits plus a final estimated digit. And that estimated digit will vary depending on the precision of your instrument. So let's look at this paper clip. If I were to measure the length of this paper clip, I would say that I know that it is that long. Well, how do I read that? I know for sure it's 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 plus some. Since I know that it's 2.8 plus some, I got to estimate. To me, that looks about halfway in between. So it's in between 0.8 and 0.9, so that would be 0.85. So I would estimate that paper clip to be about 0.85 centimeters long. So when we're looking at that, we know for sure that the object is more than 2 but less than 3. That is for sure. This is where our paper clip ended. We know for sure that the object is more than 0.8 but less than 0.9. So remember, this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. It's in between. The arrow is pointing to exactly the length of our paper clip. This ruler allows us to estimate to the length of 2.85 because we can estimate this space in between. That arrow is about halfway in between 0.8 and 0.9. So that's why when we measured the paper clip, we said it was about 2.85 centimeters. So let's look at this device. This device is marked to the tens place, so to read the ones place. So that means that we know that this dotted line is 60 centimeters, and then we can estimate. It's about 67, okay? Because we can estimate the next digit, estimate this space. This device is marked to the tens place. So we are going to read to the next digit. So for example, we know that this line is 0.4 plus a little bit more. So it's about 0.48 because this is more than halfway. And then this one is marked to the ones place. So we'd read to the next decimal place. So that's about 0.6, 0.65, 6.5 would be right here. It's less than that. So we'll say about 6.2. And remember, that digit, that last digit that you are measuring is an estimate. It's a guess. Everybody will read it a little bit off. So let's look at an example. Okay? Practice number 1. What is the length of this red line? I want you to pause the video, answer this, and unpause that when you're ready. Great, what'd you get? Well, we know for sure that this red line, this red bar, is at least 4 centimeters long. Now we have to guess the next digit. So this would be that's about halfway, so 4.5 centimeters long. How about this practice? Pause the video and unpause it when you're ready. Great, well, welcome back. We know for sure that this red line, is 4.5 and then change. So what is the end change? 4.5 centimeters. That's how long that red bar is because this ends about halfway in between. What about this one? Pause it, unpause when you're ready. Okay, great. So we know that this is exactly on 3, but we can still estimate to the next digit, so it'll be 3.0 centimeters. Okay, so now that we've looked at some practice, let's look at these to check your understandings. Remember, you need to complete these in order to get credit for your homework tomorrow in class. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. Make sure you answer these, and we'll go over these first thing tomorrow morning. All right, try this one on your own, and we're going to check this first thing in class tomorrow.